Hey guys, and welcome to Jeep Sheep TV. Today I did something kinda, I don't know, maybe it's a really good idea. I bought myself a $100 Jeep tub off of Facebook Marketplace, and this thing is a mess. But the plan is that we're going to tear it apart, replace whatever needs replaced. We're going to modify it so that way hopefully it won't rust out again, and then we're replacing the tub on that monster right there, because that one is collapsing. I'll show you that. Whee! All right, welcome to the Midwest if you don't already live here. This right here is something I like to call Bond No. Don't use Bondo. Bondo's a bad idea. What happened here was the previous owner covered a whole bunch of rust with a whole bunch of Bondo. Bondo breaks, and the support goes with it. Now, this part of your vehicle is very crucial. Very, very crucial. As you can see, this no longer lines up, and there's a large crack. Now, as the driver sits right around this area here, all of that weight is moving around on the road. And this area right here sees a lot of force. Well, not really, if your body mounts are in good shape, which mine are not. Mine are completely gone. And so the body mount's gone, and the floor being a replaced component that's not fully connected to this wall because it's Bondo, this area right here took the whole force of my body weight oscillating up and down as I go down the road. And of course, the roads I go down are not always smooth, so this guy broke. Anyway, this tub is completely collapsed, and lines like this, which should be parallel, are not, causing my doors to be impossible to close. This one, I got it to close, I'm not opening it again. And of course, I've got things like rust right there. The whole area down there is just gonzo. And we have the same problem on the passenger side. So it was time. My options were buy another tub and be able to do it right while it's off the vehicle and just go through it, or to disassemble that one. But the problem is I drive that thing every day, so here we are. All right, I hope that you can follow along with this madness. This should be a good one for you guys. Definitely hit that subscribe button. We're gonna have a blast together. If it's your first time on Jeep Sheep TV, I welcome you. Also, go ahead and connect with me on Instagram, which is jeep.sheep, and also on REVKIT. If you don't have a REVKIT, make a REVKIT. The link is down below. When you do so, use the referral code JeepSheepTV and you'll get added to our group. And let's see if we can get the biggest group on REVKIT. That would be a lot of fun. All right, thanks again. See you later.